Hi, I am Laura Ciminale, and today we will talk about the Touchpoint Marketing. It's a company that was founded in 2014 and works in marketing and communication, mainly with entrepreneurs. In particular, we will focus on the Mavericks program that is born in 2020. This training program is concerned with giving the appropriate tools to university students to become freelance from day one, and it is aimed at those who obtain or are obtaining a degree or are looking for a permanent full-time jobs. The course is divided into 3 stages. The first one is an overview and validation about the course. The second one is an 8-month learning program, and the last one is a subscription to ensure continuous support and guidance. Our challenge is to propose 3 ideas in which, with the use of AI, we can support the growth of self-employment for university students. Before starting, we have to define AI. This definition defines it as a term coined by Stanford professor John McCarthy in 1955 as the science and engineering of making intelligent machine. To give an overview of the market circumstance of AI, we can use the brainstorming technique, going to evidence what may be the opportunities and the elements of difficulties. First of all, we have the rapid growth of AI. The AI market is expected to have a significant growth according to a report by Statistics in 2024, which illustrates an increase of $15 billion in the current year compared to 2023, with a subsequent growth of $826 billion in 2030. As a result, it's an increasingly profitable market in which to invest. The other opportunities are related to advanced customization because thanks to AI we can create a personalized interaction, but also it can help to expansion the working skills and sustainability and optimization of resources. Among the challenges we find the regulation and management of privacy that are not yet well defined and could lead to misuse of this tool, but also the high costs, of course, and the current problem of scalability due to a lack of adequate infrastructure to handle large volumes of data in real time. So our aim is therefore to respond to these challenges proposed by using creativity and innovation. But what do we mean by creativity and innovation? The definition of creativity is the production of ideas and objects that are both novel or original and worthwhile or appropriate, that is useful, attractive, meaningful or correct. Whereas the definition of innovation is the process through which new products, concepts, service methods or techniques are developed. The essential difference between the two terms lies in the word's production process. Creativity is an intellectual activity for creating new ideas, and innovation is the conversion of creativity into action or result. Another interpretation by Kunz stated that innovation is the application of new ideas arising from creativity which can be transformed into something tangible, and creativity is the ability to create new ideas and innovative thinking. Our aim now is to apply the theory of creativity and innovation. The first idea is to use AI in promoting the Mavericks program, exploiting advanced customization. So this idea is to launch a marketing campaign called Take the Future into Your Hands, where the goal is to bring students closer to the Mavericks program. This is the graphic I image. It's a campaign that wants to differentiate itself from all the others by using artificial intelligence to create personalized questionnaires that the students can fill out and, based on their answer, have a feedback on the students' compatibility with different professions. This is an example of hypothetical questions, and later the test result might look like this. The campaign must be able to reach as many target groups as possible, and for this reason, in addition to university, it's also proposed on social media platforms. The aim is to highlight people who have a profile or skills in line with those of freelance professional, and also to make as young people as possible consider this profession as their future. At the same time, however, the disadvantages may be that given the increase in the target of people from consulting, we could also find someone not really interested in performing this profession in the future, but also we may direct students to other professions, an opposite effect given the feedback of the questionnaire, and finally can't find enough universities who want to offer this questionnaire to their students, but they can listen about the campaign through social media. This idea represents a personalized way to talk to young people about the future, because the mission of the campaign is to guide those who need to choose the future, highlighting the figure of freelance. The second idea is about AI as a tool in the Mavericks program to reach an expansion of work skills. The second idea is the app called Be Free, where free refers to freelance. It's an application generated with the use of AI that can be used by all those who are part of the Mavericks program, because it allows you to have inside an interactive learning on how to use the AI instruments. The benefit of users is the application functionality, where they can find all the necessary theoretical material, and a virtual assistant can answer any questions, doubts, or help you to understand the theories in real time. The access is very intuitive and interactive. The main disadvantages of this idea is impersonal approach that is adopted. In fact, by interacting with a digital tool, users may feel less involved and perceive less the values that the Touchpoint marketing wants to convey, as clarity, fun, security, and support. For this reason, the app should not be understood as the mail tool, but as a support tool, where it will be possible to have a direct link with the Touchpoint supporters of the course and facilitate the continuous exchange of information through such dedicated platform. The last idea is about AI as a tool in marketing activities to reach the resource optimization. The third idea is more related to the last stage of the Mavericks program, namely post-course support. The idea is to facilitate marketing activities for our users through a website called Freelance Brain. It's like a virtual library. In this case, being already existing in the market, analysis support such as HubSpot, MailChimp, and LinkedIn Sales Navigator, the strategy to adapt is from second-in organization, that is, take inspiration from such innovative platforms, but identify their market gaps to improve. In fact, all these sites offer different customer segmentation service, custom mail list creations, and market analysis, but separately. The idea is to put all these activities together in one exclusive platform. The functionality of a Freelance Brain site is to access a custom dashboard where the user can segment marketing data by a specific sector, region, and target. It can then generate a contact list based on specific features and constantly updated. Finally, in order to be able to offer your service on the market, you can access an analysis of your competitors by analyzing their market position, the price of the service, and the marketing channel used, and other information. As previously said, similar platforms already exist in the market that offer these features separately, making it essential to identify a specific niche and offer flexible rates to meet different needs. Another difficulty is attracting users outside the Mavericks program. We risk that they find the service not intuitive, or that the platform doesn't have a clear identity compared to competitors. To mitigate this risk, we must focus on a simple and user-friendly interface, emphasize our uniqueness with a clear value proposition, and differentiate ourselves by integrating the functionalities in a single tool. So overall, this tool would allow for targeted marketing activities and benchmarking, so users can improve and adapt their offer. To conclude, let's define the benefit of AI implementation. The implementation of AI allows us to adopt a red ocean strategy in existing markets. In fact, our goal is to achieve a better results than our competitors, but the more companies enter in the market and the less space there is for us to emerge and growth. But the freelance library can achieve a competitive advantages in the red ocean thanks to all the analysis system that can help us to anticipate competitor, but also create a personalized data performance that can help also us to implement proactive strategies in the competitor's ocean. The Be-Free application with the use of AI can stimulate the divergent thinking, motivating to use an innovative approaches. The interaction and the simultaneous practice would like to improve the unconventional thinking through AI. Divergent thinking requires unexpected combination that can be possible thanks to AI ability to evidence different perspectives and generate multiple solutions. Thank you for listening to me, and these are my references.